If you want to block ads on Safari browsers, then simply follow these steps. Safari on iOS also has a built-in feature to prevent cross-site tracking, which helps to block some type of unwanted ads. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Settings app on your mobile device. Inside Settings, scroll down till the bottom and look for the Apps option available there and simply tap on it. Now scroll down and tap on the Safari option available inside Apps. Look for the Safari and tap on it. Now, once inside the Safari, you will get to see Block Pop-ups option available there. Toggle on Block Pop-ups to prevent pop-up ads from opening in Safari. While this method may not block all ads, they will significantly reduce the number of intrusive ads and improve your browsing experience on Safari. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.